Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we are going to talk about, this is the storm. It's going to produce severe weather here, but guess what, buddy? Something very special is coming. You got that right. Look at that, boy. That is a blizzard. That is a major storm, guys. That right there is what we're talking about in today's video. It's December 26th, and we're not too far. So this is very close, and we need to talk about it. So hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today, we're going to talk about the Northeast promising snowstorm. So guys, this is a 949 millibar low pressure system hitting the Northeast. Constant lake effect snow could dump up as over 6 inches of snow. Winter storm watches could be issued, but right now, this is what pattern we're stuck in. We're stuck in this above that. This is the 26th. It's very quiet as we speak here, but we're looking going forward, and we're headed to come. This is a big rainstorm, but this is where the storm is going to produce snow, but it doesn't get any weaker. It only gets a lot stronger. Snow up here snow could be up to, or some places up here could see as much as the west. Look at this. 2015. Look at the snowfall amounts. You can see that there's a lot of snowfall amounts produced by this storm. This is a very big storm. The temperatures in this storm are very cold. Oh my gosh. It could be blizzard. Near blizzard. This is why, look, even an Arctic blast. An Arctic blast is coming. Oh, man. Yeah. It's going to be 6 degrees. And it's going to be snowing. It's going to be 6 degrees when the snow comes off the lakes. It's going to be 6. It's going to be freezing cold with the storm. It's going to be very heavy snow. But let's check out the temperatures during the storm event. Let's see what the temperatures are going to be during the storm. Exactly. See, we got warm air. It's going to be 53 before, but watch what happens. That's bad. Okay, we're going to go from upper 50s to big snowstorm in hours. That is incredibly bad. That is incredible. Look at the temperature on January 2nd when I go back to school. I mean, look at that. There might not even be school. Look at this. 760, 73. Yeah, this is incredible. Look what happens. Goodbye, warm air. See you later. Look at this. This is when the snowstorm is going to occur. Okay, it's going to occur. It's going to occur here. It's going to occur when it's that cold. But only when those temperatures drop. Woohoo! Look at the temperatures now. Look at the temperatures now. That's cold, right? And then if we go beyond, if we go beyond that, look how that is just Arctic air. Let's see how far this Arctic air sinks down. Let's see how far this Arctic air shrinks down. Oh my God! Look at this 20s, down all the way down to here. Yeah. We're going to the rain and frozen. Yep, look at that. West Virginia. Look at that. Big snowstorm is going to form. It's going to change a big snowstorm. And it could dump exceeding about 6 inches of snow. That is just big. Let's go to the continents of the U.S. and look at these cold temperatures all over the place. Look at that. That's insanity, y'all. Woo! Dude, that's cold, bro. That is really, really, really cold. Look at these. There's going to be an extreme severe weather outbreak. I already know it's going. Look at this. That's another thing we're going to talk about here. But guess what? There's something to look about on day 4. This is where we're concerned here. Look at these. We're going to talk about the West here, but let's go to severe weather for one quick second. Here is the day we're looking for. This is the day of the outbreak of severe weather. You can see parts of Birmingham, Jackson could be in the risk here for dangerous severe thunderstorms. Could be some tornadoes. Probabilities could be added. So there is a potential with these storm systems that are coming up at the 22. Vortex systems could bring snow up here. Big snowstorm up in this area. Real big snowstorm here in this part of the country. But this is where severe weather is going to occur. But AccuWeather might not have nothing to say yet. But once it gets closer, they're going to go nuts. Oh my god. Oh man, it's going to be an ice storm right there. Oh no. Pittsburgh's going to be ice. Oh! Yep. Oh boy, here it is, right here. It's talking about the snowstorm. Right there, look at that. It says closely monitoring for potential for more potential storm. Ooh. Northeast, you're going to get slammed. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Things are finally changing, you guys. Big snowstorm, big cold blast, big Arctic blast on the way. Just look at that. Look at the. We're gonna play this. See, that was all the way back, but watch what happens during this time. Watch this. Slow it down. Let's go back. Let's go back. Ooh, let's go forward a little bit. Ooh, go back. Ooh, right here. Watch this. Just watch this temperature shut off. See, there's 53. Look at temperature. Watch. Big snowstorm's going to form here. And stop here. Go back a little bit. The storm is going to form here. See the low pressure system here. Let's go to let's do something really quick. Put another tab up. Go to the same model, the CMC, and do the temperatures. Let's do the 2 minutes shaded. And then we're going to go right here. So we're going to compare these two, okay? This is the storm. And this is how cold it's going to get. Watch what happens. Boop. And then watch what happens here. That is what happens. See, that's where the cold's going to be. 17 West Virginia and 27. And look. That's where the storm's going to be. Okay? That's the storm. But by this time, the temperatures are going to be cold like this. Yeah, this is how you compare cold. You can see how, see? Look how cold it extends. The whole, I didn't even know this. The whole entire U.S. is going to be cold. Oh, wow! Not just the Northeast, the Midwest. Oh boy, this is going to be the center of cold, right? Like the whole United States, right here's where the cold's going to be. If I can draw a circle, I would. This is the zone here. That is just, and that's the storm. Look at this. Almost the whole U.S. could see something. See, a few days ago, the cold air tries it, warm air comes back. But something is telling me on the 3rd of January, on Monday, January that 2022, a big pattern is about to happen. A big pattern flop is going to happen. Plus a major blizzard is going to happen. Look, the storm gets even stronger. Look at this. 949 millibar. 942 millibar low pressure system. 9 and it weakens. But look. Right there as it heads up to Quebec. Look at that. If you look at the snowfall from this system, that is a big swath of snow here. Look, some areas in here could see. Look at the west, though. That's how insane the west is. But look how 50 inches here of snow. Come on now. Yeah, that is what Mother Nature has thrown at us. Let's go down to... Even the cold stretches down to Texas. Even Corpus Christi, Houston. Oh my gosh, this is a big cold snap. This is a major Arctic blast. So there'll be a separate video today talking about the temperatures. So stay tuned for that. This is more about this snowstorm right now. It's more about the snowstorm that's going to happen in the Northeast. But there is likely going to be a separate video talking about how cold it's going to get. I'm going to do 2 videos on this channel. I know it's crazy, but this is what is going to happen. You can see this temperature. This is just one more. Let's check out the precept here. So this video is mainly talking about snowstorm, our next major storm. But I'm gonna do a second video. I'm just going to do a second video after this one. So I'll be posting this one after this. Okay, this will be number 1, then number 2. Then I'll be done for you guys today. I might come back later and post a number 3 video. Number 3, then number 4. So this is how important, the whole country is going to see Arctic blast. See, on the southern end of this, or like near Florida, there's going to be some temperature differences here. Very temperature differences. If you look down here, look at the temperature differences. Just look at that. That's that. Almost the whole, this is what I'm saying. This is a big area of cold air. This is one massive Arctic blast. It's coming down. It's swooping in. Look at this. See the southern part of Texas, like, oh yeah, there we go. But parts of Corpus Christi, Houston, Texas, you guys are going to be. Yeah, that looks crazy. That is just, that right, ooh. See, the above average temperatures are trying, but cold air in the middle, warm air. Cold air. Look at this. This is a big, look at this. Look at the ridge. Where we're sitting in right now, we're in a ridge. Watch what happens as the calendar flips to January. By the time I go back to school, big severe weather outbreak could set up right there. That's where a moderate risk could be issued again. But look, that's where our snowstorm's going to form. That's where things are going to get together for the next major system. This model clearly shows that an insane Arctic blast and heavy snow, winter storms are coming. Winter storm this, winter storm that. It's going to be big. These models are showing major cold blast, heavy snow, and winter and thunderstorms and severe weather. It's showing everything. Okay? Severe weather is going to form on the southern end of this potential snowstorm up here. But it's going to, see that area of rain? Right in this area. This is where the convective instability is going to happen. Something is going to form here. A line of thunderstorms are going to develop here. But along those line of thunderstorms, big snowstorm forms and then produces a whole lot of snow. That is definitely an active January. I bet you if there's that moisture, if that moisture comes up and this comes in, another big snowstorm could form right along here. So be on the lookout. This is just interesting stuff. So let's shoot back to January 3rd here. And we're going to end this video on that note. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to Wildest Weather on Earth. For more YouTube videos, I will be posting a second video talking about the temperatures on this storm and how cold it's going to get and how chilly it's going to get. See? That's the end.